We use technology everywhere, right? Phones, cars, even tellies. So why not in our kitchens? AI is making cooking easier and more fun. Imagine having a digital sous chef, always ready with ideas. That's what AI is bringing to the table. It's like magic, but with microchips. We all have different tastes, yeah? Some like it spicy, some like it sweet. AI gets that. Tell it you're vegan, gluten-free, whatever. It'll whip up recipes just for you. No more scrolling through a million options online. It's like having a personal chef, but without the big bucks. We've all been there. Leftover veggies, about to go bad. AI can help. Tell it what's in your fridge. It'll suggest recipes to use it all up. Less waste, more flavor. Good for your wallet, good for the planet. Now that's what I call a win-win. Look, we're all busy. Work, kids, life. AI can help us cook delicious meals fast. It finds recipes in seconds, based on what you fancy. Need a quick weeknight dinner? AI's got you covered. More time with loved ones. Less time stressing in the kitchen. Brilliant.